Hello friends, day 7, and I came down off Bodmin Moor. Bodmin Moor was fantastic, loved it. I did have a bit of a faux pas on Bodmin Moor though, and ended up walking round in a circle for a while this morning, but eventually I got it sorted, managed to get back en route properly and came down, and I've just passed through the village of South Petherwin. Tomorrow, onward and upward. Nice backdrop of the woods on one side tonight, but on the other side I do have some housing not that far away.